those good times we had, I thought you were my friend. What I felt to be a dream, just a nightmare in the end. I trusted you, you trusted me, nothing could go wrong, until I finally figured out you were evil all along. What I'd give to see you gone, I've never felt this way before. I'd love to see that face you make when I walk out the door. 'Cause God can save you from all your sins. You threw your life away, you let the devil in. Oh, I can save you, I know you too well. Like everyone and everything, you drag me to hell. Drag me. Trapped inside these prison walls with no way to escape. What I felt to be my life was just a big mistake. I thought of you, I thought it through, everything was clear. The only way from this cage was for you to disappear. What I'd give to see you gone, I'm sure you've heard this all before. I'd love to see that face you make when I walk out the door. 'Cause God can save you from all your sins. You threw your life away, you let the devil in. Oh, I can save you, I know you too well. Like everyone and everything, you drag me to hell. Drag me. You drag me to hell. Hope you had fun. Now that we're done, it's over this time. I'm on to your